Hey there, it's Fred again. Welcome back. Today, I'm thrilled to share the beginning of my tech journey with you. Picture this: pandemic vibes and a crazy road trip across the country to start my master's in computer science. I drove a whopping 18 hours nonstop because I was so determined to avoid any COVID-19 risks along the way. Safety first, right? Finally, I made it to the new city and jumped right into the program. After a few days of house hunting, I found my new place and wasted no time getting started on my course assignments. The very first course was all about laying down the foundations of computer science, and guess what? We kicked it off with Python programming. What a fantastic way to start! I can't wait to take you down memory lane with me through short project-based videos, where I'll break down concepts in the most straightforward way possible. Our first video will be all about data types. Are you ready to dive in and explore this fascinating topic together? Let's do it!